my dear viewers, welcome to Medilab Zone. In this video, I will show you my beautiful Gotu Kola Garden. So, I think you can see this is the Gotu Kola Garden. I want to tell you, Gotu Kola has amazing benefits. In this video, I will tell you all the health benefits of Gotu Kola. One of the most important benefit is actually Gotu Kola helps to improve my memory. During my school time and my university life, my mother always prepared Gotu Kola juice and Gotu Kola tea for me. Actually, it helps to improve my memory. I take one Gotu Kola leaf. You can take 5 Gotu Kola leaf and put into the boil hot water cup and let into 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you can drink amazing powerful Gotu Kola tea. Don't worry if you don't have Gotu Kola in your garden. You can visit Amazon site, and here you can buy so many dried Gotu Kola leaves, Gotu Kola tea bags also.